Hi all, this is Mona, your spiritual counselor and a healer, angel and tarot card reader, angel and crystal therapies. And for more, you can log into my FB account as Mona S and on Insta as Mona Sanjay. Alright guys, so here I am today on the topic of Corona. How to protect yourself from Corona. Guys, अब ये तो शायद हर बच्चे को पता पड़ गया होगा कि हाउ वी गोना प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम कोरोना। जैसे बार बार हाथ धोना, हाइजीन को मेंटेन करना, विटामिन सी, विटामिन डी को भी खाना, विटामिन ई भी ले रहे हैं, लॉट ऑफ काढ़ा, गर्म पानी, ये सब शायद अब मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है। बट हियर आई एम टुडे to share you my experiences and the spiritual care for Corona. So spiritual care में अगर मैं आपको बताऊँ तो ब्लैक टूरमलिन क्रिस्टल, जो मैं बार बार शायद मेरे मोस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोज़ या मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लासेस में मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि दिस इज़ अ क्रिस्टल विच प्रोटेक्ट्स यू फ्रॉम एनीथिंग नेगेटिव। जैसे ये दिस इज द ब्लैक टूरमलिन क्रिस्टल, इट इवन प्रोटेक्ट्स यू फ्रॉम द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स, जैसे जो कंप्यूटर से होती है, जो फोन से आती है, दिस एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट्स यू। सो द सेम वे इट ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट्स यू फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द एनवायरमेंटल नेगेटिव एनर्जीज. It purifies your places. So even if you would like to go ahead, there is one more crystal which is called as a selenite. So this also you can keep, this crystal also you can keep in your aura. So what you can do is either you can keep these crystals in your aura, or you can wear it as a bracelet, or finger ring, या एक छोटे से टम्बल्स या चंक्स आते हैं that you can carry it in your pocket. The most important thing is that it should touch your skin. Yeah, you can meditate with it. This is the one tip which really helps you a lot. Meditating morning and evening, which cleanses out your aura also, because what happens, the germs which cannot see with the naked eyes, we call it as a बहुत एक छोटे छोटे जो हम देख नहीं पाते, it's an energy of course, है ना. So as they are not going to give us any benefit, so they are the negative energies for us, and we have lot of things to cut off this negative energies to enter inside our body, enter inside our room. So what you can do is you burn out the lavender aroma candles, you burn out the essential oils which has the combination of lavender, patchouli, and some more combinations. If you want, you can connect with me and I'll give it to you. And these aromas keeps your atmosphere purified. Okay, so this is also one of the way you can keep your home, the एटमॉस्फेयर, क्योंकि अब ये जो कोरोना है ये आपके एनवायरनमेंट में आ चुका है. सो बेटर दीज आर दी वेरी सिंपल वेज, आप ज़रूर करके देख सकते हैं. और अगर इफ़ यू वांट द कोरोना हीलिंग्स, डू कनेक्ट विथ मी. In 15 days we give the corona healings to the client for 15 days, and there are various cases we have solved till now, and we are actually the group of Reiki healers and the other healers which we work for them morning and evening, twice a day. Sometimes if needed हम उनके लिए healings दिन में 3 बार भी करते हैं, या अगर उससे ज़्यादा भी लगा तो भी. So guys, अगर आप मुझसे पर्सनली कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हो फॉर द healings, for corona healings, do connect with me on my given number through WhatsApp 9790744995. Guys, आप relax कीजिए. Within 24 to 48 hours I will get back to you. Somebody from my team will get back to you. If it is urgent, please आप मैसेज पे urgent लिखिए. Okay, and rest is assured that we will call you back, but without appointment आप मेरे से बात नहीं कर पाओगे. So I'm sorry for that, but ये procedure आपको follow करना ही होगा. Okay guys, but to protect yourself from the corona, ये चीज़ें मत भूलिए. Wash your hands, have your kadhas, hot water, and multivitamins, all right, vitamin C, and try to wear the black tourmaline bracelets, or keep some crystals with you. And selenites is also, as I have told you, is the wonderful crystal for it. All right guys, thank you. What more you want to know? I think meditations, and another thing is salt water bath. Yeah, add some Himalayan salt into your bathing water, and take bath. Of course you are using your soaps, whatever the soap you are using, but add in a bucket full of water, in a tub, that salt also removes the energetic negative things like that. So ये एक और टिप हो गई. और आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसी सॉल्ट को आप झाड़ू पोछा की बोतल में डाल सकते हो. सो गाइज, डू फॉलो these tips, and for more you can connect me with me directly through the WhatsApp. Okay guys, so thank you. Keep yourself safe, keep yourself protected, eat well, sleep well, and enjoy. Bye bye.